In English language, CH makes the sound sh, right? But did you know it makes a tricky sound? Let's find out. If you are just joining us, this is pronunciation class with Spicy Mama. Welcome to class! Now, CH doesn't only make the sound sh in words, it makes a tricky sound sh. One more time. Sh. Here are some few examples. Champagne, champagne. Chicago, machete, chalet. Let's take the words one more time, and this time around, repeat after me. 1. Champagne. 2. Chicago. 3. Machete. 4. Chalet. Very good. Kudos. Sure you learned something new today. Please like and share all our videos and follow us on all our social media platforms. Until I come your way again, keep pronouncing your words correctly and keep speaking right. Bye.